Good Wednesday morning to you. I'm Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martrich. This is your outlook for July 2nd, 2014. And we're going to have another very hot day today with probably the peak heating day of this miniature heat wave, if you will. Temperatures are still going to be out of the southwest today, and heat and humidity will be across our entire coverage area here, with temperatures getting into the 90s at just about every location. One thing we're going to have to watch for today, though, is the chance for strong to severe thunderstorms, and we're going to have a cold front that's going to be out to our west here, and there's going to be along out ahead of it is going to be a prefrontal trough that is axis that is going to become the focus of these showers and thunderstorms, mainly over the eastern half of Pennsylvania, actually I should say far eastern Pennsylvania and New Jersey. And I think these storms can really get going here as we get into later in the afternoon and evening hours here. We're going to go over to the NAM high-res future simulated radar, and this is off the latest NAM here, and showing just some showers and thunderstorms are going to start mid-afternoon or so, and this is now showing 3 p.m. on Wednesday. And these storms just move across eastern PA and just blow up, and then eventually go into a congealed line segment here as they head across extreme eastern Pennsylvania, and then again eventually New Jersey here before dying off and as they head off the coastline here. So some strong to severe thunderstorms. You can check out our weather alert maps page, which will have the outline of where we think the strongest storms will be and the greatest risk areas for those strong to severe thunderstorms and potential impacts and timing with these storms. But they could get quite gusty with the thunderstorms, and some very heavy rainfall. Torrential downpours are possible with any thunderstorm. So we look through, we're going to take a look at one of the soundings here. This is out of Allentown in eastern Pennsylvania. Just a tremendous amount of instability here in this sounding, and it keeps getting more and more with every run of this of the NAM here. There's now mixed layer CAPE is now up to 4,000 joules per kilogram, which is just an insane amount of instability. And one of the reasons you have so much instability is the surface temperature is going to be very, very hot down here, looking close to basically the low 90s, low to mid 90s, and then as you get up to just about 14,000 feet is where your 0 degree Celsius line is. So you have very rapidly rising air in this column here. A lot of very strong updrafts because you have such very warm air at the surface, very hot air rapidly rising towards the colder air aloft. And that's why you have these thunderstorms that are going to be taking shape during the day on Wednesday. I'm going to go over to the look here. This is actually Wednesday evening here with the showers and thunderstorms here. Still going to have the cold front's actually going to come through here on Thursday, and we're going to have an even better chance at getting more widespread showers and thunderstorms, but this is going to be more of a rain producer. I think there will be some gusty winds with this on Thursday as well. Some isolated severe reports across our coverage area, but I think the primary threat here is going to be from very heavy rainfall once again, with slow-moving thunderstorms and high precipitable water values that will allow these thunderstorms to really dump a lot of rainfall. And this is a very slow-moving frontal boundary. The frontal boundary will push through here, and just entering our picture down here in the southwest here, if you take notice, this is our tropical storm. This is Tropical Storm Arthur that's going to be moving up the coast, and it's going to be coming into the picture at this point as we get a little bit closer. And still, this is the GFS outlook here, with a track that's taking it over eastern North Carolina here. This is Friday morning now, and it's showing this over the Outer Banks, North Carolina, which is a very plausible solution if it is going to come either right over the Outer Banks or just to the south, just to the east of it. So, not sure if landfall is 100% certain, but there are some models definitely taking it over, over land here for a little bit and making landfall over eastern North Carolina. But you can see our coverage area up here. You see mostly just dry and some early clouds. I think you're dealing with, once again, some clouds. You're probably going to be in this area here, anywhere south and east of that line, and a chance for showers early on are going to be southeast of this line. So some showers that are associated with this system here, not a direct hit. It's a very tightly compact system, so we're not dealing with high winds and rain on the coastlines. But you can see here perfectly. See where the rain is here? getting up to the exact area we have it depicted here, maybe across southern Delaware and right by coastal New Jersey. That's where your rain area is. This is early Friday afternoon. Could still be some showers with the system as it's moving off to the northeast, but everywhere else is going to be clouds breaking for sun in the interior here, especially northwest of I-95. I do think that does improve here for the shore points too as we get to fireworks time towards the evening. This is now looking at 7 p.m. and you see the system's now pulling away, so skies are going to start clearing behind this system. If it hasn't done so already. So by the time we get to the fireworks displays, 9 o'clock at night here, we're looking at good conditions for the setting off the fireworks at that point. So at least no rain in the forecast for that period. And then behind that, we're going to give a very nice couple days. Friday, Saturday, Sunday look like very nice days with temperatures starting off below normal on Friday for this time of year, and then it's going to work its way back to near normal by the time we get to Sunday. And then when we get into Monday of next week, we're going to have the temperatures increasing back again close to 90 degrees as we get into the beginning of next week. So right now we're looking at just a fabulous weekend with high pressure and control both in the Friday through Sunday time frame. And we'll be keeping an eye, of course, on Tropical Storm Arthur, which is expected by some estimations to become a hurricane, and of course our estimations is for make it to a Category 1 hurricane by the time it gets to this point and heads off the northeast, but not making impact to our area except for just a slight graze with some showers on the northern fringe here for New Jersey. Some early clouds giving way to sun for areas further northwest, but that's the only thing we really have to deal with besides the rip current and high surf threat, which will be right along the coastline here. New Jersey beaches all the way down through Delaware, and of course up here by Long Island we'll have some rip currents to deal with the system as it passes by to the northeast. I'm Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martrich, and that is your outlook for July 2nd, 2014. Have a great Wednesday.